Do you know your body, mind, and soul have a unique connection? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chetna. I am the founder of Divine Tree. It's a company which is unique in its nature because, as doctors, as psychologists, as in our team, the yoga therapists, the breath masters, and panel of doctors, the Ayurvedic doctors, we work together on each and every individual on their body, mind, and soul. So this is a digital platform where we are taking the one-on-one consultations to work for each and every ailment, to work on the body, mind, and soul. As a person, you have to understand from where the disease is entering into our body and how the disease is passing on to generations, how we are suffering from these chronic ailments and we keep on taking pills from like so many years together. So do you want to cure yourself without medicines? So that is our mission in Divine Tree. And if you feel connected with Divine Tree, you have to click on this button and we will take on your consultations. We will provide you a treatment in a holistic way where we are working on your body, mind, and soul, and we have our expert team of counselors, the yoga therapists, the breath masters, the energy healers. And over my medical practice of 25 years as a doctor, what I have realized that it's not only the medicines, but we have to work on each and every individual on their body, mind, and soul. So connect with our specialist therapies designed for each and every disease, the chronic ailments, the respiratory, the digestive problems, the circulatory problems, the relationship problem, the finances problems, anything. So we work on your mindset with our counseling sessions, we work on the exercise part, we work on the therapies which are specially designed for each and every problem. And as a passionist energy healer, what I have found is if we work only on the 7 chakras of our body, if we work only on the energy field, because you, me, everything is made up of energy. So if we correct the energy flow in our body, in our system, we know the inner engineering of our system. Each one of our therapy will teach you the inner engineering of your body, how the disease is there in your body, and how the problem associated with each and every organ. And we help you, we handhold you, and we will teach you in a holistic way. And believe you me, you can get rid of any of the ailment, even the chronic, all the chronic ailments, the cancers, and each and every disease. But first we have to find out how the disease is entering into our body, and we can really stop passing on this disease to our generations together. So this is a beautiful word, this is one life, and we have to understand that this is not the physical body. There is a beautiful soul which resides in the physical body, and we have to take care of each and every aspect. And if you feel connected with Divine Tree, with our special therapies designed for each one of you, because this is our only mission now to help people to heal their life without medicines. So that's why we have expert of teams, we have combined together with only one motto and with only one mission to help n number of people on this planet Earth to have a beautiful life. Because if we are fit, if we are active, then only we can do anything. And in this special time, in the COVID time, when the immunity is a problem, when we have to work on the mindset, there is so much of problems in the body. So our special therapy is already healing n number of patients, n number of people, and they are getting results, each one of them. And you can see the testimonials, you can connect with us, you can connect with our team of experts. This is my only one message to each one of you, that all is well in this world. But if we think, if our thoughts think that way, that we all are well. So no disease, nothing can catch us. So connect with us and click on the button below, and you will feel a unique way to reach each one of you with our different holistic therapies to work on each one of you. So as a doctor, as a medical practitioner, I want to assure you that Divine Tree only aim to help people to come out of their problems and to heal their body without medicines, and stopping the pain coming in the body from years together and spending too much on the medicines. But we have to work in a holistical way on each one of you for each one of your problems. So you can really connect with us. Click on the button below to have one-on-one consultation with our expert team of Divine Tree, where we will take you onto a different journey, onto a different path for your body, for your mind, and for your soul. And I'm 100% sure that with our therapies, with our divine therapies, you will definitely have a cure on any of your problem. You can relate with us, you can trust us, and you can believe on us. Thank you so much.